this is Gayatri Negi and I'm an intern in Nexus and Company and you're watching Lex Click. In this video, we will discuss about legality of call recordings in India. We all are familiar with call recordings where we converse with the other party and we generally record our conversation. Is it legal? Yes, it is. There is no statute which prohibits the conversation with other person to be recorded by one party without the consent of the other person. But if two persons are having a conversation and a third person records such conversation without the consent of both of the parties, then it would be illegal and inadmissible in the court. यानी कि अगर दो लोग बात कर रहे हैं और थर्ड पर्सन सीक्रेटली अपने आप को छुपा कर उनकी कॉन्वर्जेशन रिकॉर्ड करता है, इट वुड बी इलीगल. मान लीजिए दोनों में से एक पर्सन ने कंसेंट दिया है रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए थर्ड पर्सन को और जो सेकंड पर्सन है ही हैज़ नॉट कंसेंटेड फॉर सच रिकॉर्डिंग, देन व्हाट विल बी हैपन in that case also, because the second person is also a party to that conversation and he has not consented for such recording, that will also be illegal. Now coming to the legality of conversation, I have already told you, if you are one of the party to that call conversation, you can record without the consent of the other party, but third person cannot record any conversation without the consent of both the parties, right? Coming to the admissibility of call recordings in India, then firstly the conversation must be relevant to the case, right? Then secondly, reliability of the evidence. The court is the sole authority to decide the degree of reliability of call recording produced before the court as evidence. Then there must be corroborative evidence. Call recordings are used as corroborative evidence submitted in the court by either party to the conversation. Then there must be accurate account. The court cited that before submitting the call recording, the accuracy of time, place and recording must be proved by competent witnesses and backed by relevant accounts related to the case. The call recordings must be kept sealed in custody and prevent them from being manipulated. So this was all about legality of call recording from my side. Thank you for watching.